Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the driver may be corrupted or missing code 39 inches error on Windows. This issue usually appears in Device Manager and can prevent your hardware from working properly. Follow these steps carefully, and this should resolve the problem. First, open the Start menu and type Registry Editor. Click on it and press Yes if prompted. Once Registry Editor opens, follow this exact path. Expand HKey Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Expand Control. Expand Class. Now look for the folder with this name, 36FC9E60C46511CF. Click on it. On the right side, look for entries called Upper Filters or Lower Filters. You may see one of them, or both. If you see Upper Filters, right-click it, select Delete, and click Yes. Do the same for Lower Filters if it exists. Once done, close Registry Editor. Now open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Click once on your computer name at the top. Then click Action in the top menu and select Scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to reload the driver configuration. Next, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. First, type this command and press Enter. SFC/Scano. Let the scan run completely. While that scan is running, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and let this scan finish as well. Now open the Start menu, search for Check for Updates, and open it. Click Check for Updates and make sure your system is fully up to date. Once both scans are finished, restart your computer. After rebooting, the code 39 driver error should be fixed, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.